Good day, everyone. It is Wednesday. Get your English activity pack out, practice your spelling words, and then you open up on Wednesday. So, for today's English activity, you get to design an advert for your own milkshake, year ones. So you get to name this milkshake whatever you like and give it a catchphrase, okay, or a catchy phrase. This means a exciting and fun sentence, okay? So you write 1 or 2 sentences as your catchphrase for your milkshake. Then just write the ingredients on the lines, and down at the bottom you write the mass and the price of your milkshake. This is fun, and then you get to design your own milkshake you want. There's a glass, there's some ice cream. You get to decide. You could add things if you wish. That is it for English. Then we move on to Wednesday's maths. That means, year ones, please get your maths activity pack out and open up on Wednesday. So for today's maths, year one, we are looking at the days of the week. All you have to do is read the statements carefully. On this side of the page, you've got the days of the week. So we've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so based on this, year one, here it says that number 1 is Sunday, number 2 is Monday. Okay, so what is the last day of the week? That means you need to look at the last number. The first number is 1, so the last number should be down at the bottom. Number 2, what day comes after Tuesday? So write the day that comes after Tuesday. Number 3, what day comes before Friday? You write the day that comes before Friday. Then we move on. What day is it? We've got some fun activity for you. It's a crossword puzzle. Here, once the spelling for the days of the week has been given to you, you just need to figure out which days fit in where. Okay. There are some hints, some letters or have been written in for you. You just need to figure out what day of the week it is. Okay, you've got a big hint over here for the first one. It starts with a W or a W, which is the third day of the week, and it is also Wednesday. That means if you write Wednesday correctly, everything else should fit. Okay, that is it for your maths for today. Now, moving on to your science for Wednesday. Your ones, get your science activity pack out and look at what we have to do on Wednesday. So, for Wednesday science, your ones, we are playing a game. You get to roll a dice, okay? And if it lands on 1, you color the head. If it lands on 2, you color the main body. You what? You only roll the dice 6 times, and after that, you leave it as it is. This is a game. It's supposed to be fun. So you don't have to worry if you don't get to color the whole picture. Okay. That is the game that we are playing today. Okay, that is for our science.